Hello everyone, welcome to PCB E-classes. In this lecture, we will be discussing about the star-delta connection of resistors. Fine. So, there is a special case or special type of connection known as star and delta. First, we should know what is star and delta connection, how it is formed. Then after we will know why we are using it. Fine. So, let's see here. This type of arrangement is said to the delta connection, and this type of arrangement is said to the star connection. Now what is this connection? Three different resistors are connected in order to form a loop. Then this type of connection is said to the delta connection. Fine. And as delta connection, so three vertices of the triangle will be there, or three terminals will be there. So I have named it as X, Y, Z. Clear? And the respective resistance I have taken as Rx, Ry, Rz. Fine. This is what delta connection is there. Star connection means what? Three connections will be there. That means three resistors will be there. No doubt about it. But each resistance, second terminal or a terminal will be common to each other. That means R1 second terminal, R2 second terminal, R3 second terminal is common. That means it is connected to a common point. That point we are saying as a neutral. We will understand it while solving the problems or in the AC analysis. Fine. So X, Y, Z, as usual the terms R1, R2, R3, it is combined to a single point and it is set to the neutral. Similarly, in this case also we are having three terminals, outer terminals X, Y, Z. But the major difference between the configuration of the delta and the star is here a common point is there, where here there is no common point. Rather, they are connected in a sequence to form a loop. It is forming a loop here. Fine. Now, why we need it? Sometimes while finding out the R equivalent, what happens? We get this type of circuit, delta, or this type of circuit, star, where three terminals are there. That means three way the current will be entering. Fine. So there will be a confusion how to solve that type of network, because multiple currents are entering or multiple terminals are there. Fine. So in order to reduce that confusion, we have a solution that we can convert. If a delta is there, then we can convert into the star. If a star connection is there, we are facing problem, then we can convert it to delta connection. Fine. So both connections are given in order to reduce our effort. Fine. So first we will look about the delta and the star conversions. That means first I will deal with the delta to star conversion. Delta to star conversion, that means I am converting from delta to star. Fine. Delta to star. If this type of circuit is given, then how we have to form this star connection, and what will be the value of this R1, R2 and R3 if the given values are Rx, Ry and Rz. Fine. So let's start the derivation. Now in case of the delta connection, how many terminals are there? Three terminals are there, X, Y, Z. So we will take in a sequence. We have always taken an assumption of the current direction while finding out the R equivalent across two terminals. So we will assume for two terminals. Clear? So for the first part I am taking X, Y. That means for delta connection I am taking this one as X, Y terminal R equivalent. I am finding it out. Across XY, I am finding out the R equivalent. Then what is the procedure we are doing? Across XY, that means I am assuming a current is pumped from the X and current is taken from Y. This is the assumption. Then the current enters here, it gets divided. Fine. It gets divided. Now see here, this current flowing through the Rx will come to the Y terminal. immediately. But what happens here, the other current enters into the RZ and it observes that another node is there, Z. Fine, Z is there. So if this type of circuit is given, then we have to consider that beyond Z nothing is there. Beyond Z nothing is there. If nothing is there, no connection is there, that means can the current pass this side? Beyond Z can it pass? No. That means the same current flowing in the RZ will be flowing in the RY also. That means what type of circuit it will be? Observe it here. This is right. Then Rx, this is from the X we have taken, or this one also X you can take it. Fine. And this one we are taking it as Y. Fine. Next, from X, what is the terminal is coming? RZ. So RZ, then after, as the current is same in the RZ and RY and they are connected back to back, then these two will be said to be in series. RZ and RY will be series. So this will be in series. So this is RZ, this will be RY. Fine. This is the equivalent circuit diagram. So as per the equivalent circuit diagram, what will be I will be writing down for R equivalent. For R equivalent, what I'll write down? The R equivalent, that is RXY, will be written as RX parallel with RZ and RY are series. So that will be added. These two are, what is this condition? Series condition. Fine. So RX plus, RZ plus RY. This is the RXY form. So in the parallel condition, what we used to do? RX multiplied with RZ plus RY divided by RX plus RY plus RZ. This will be my RXY. Clear? Is it clear? For the delta connection across XY. Fine? Make a note of it. Similarly, what I will do, I will find out. So what is the changes in the diagram I will be doing? What are the changes for the YZ I will be doing? In Y, the current is entering and from Z it is coming out. What will be my current direction? As soon as it enters into the Y, the current will be divided. Definitely the current will be divided. But other terminal is open. Can it pass this side? No, because no other circuit is present. So the current flowing in the Rx and the current flowing in the RZ will be same. So Rx and RZ will be treated as in series. This is a Y, this is a Z. From one terminal Y to Z, RY is present. Another Y to X, the Rx is present. And here Rx and this will be RZ. Here the current starts, current divides and so on. This is the current direction. So what will be the R across YZ, R equivalent? So that I am writing down as RYZ. That will be equals to RY parallel with Rx plus RZ. Why Rx plus RZ? Because these two are in series. Fine. Next, similarly, if I'll write down for R equivalent for Z and X, so what will be my diagram? My diagram will be the same way it will be there. The terminals will be different. And the resistance will be different. What I'll make here, I'll take this one as Z, this one as X. Let me change the current here. What is the terminal we have taken? Z. So in Z the current enters and in X the current leaves. Fine. From Z the current is divided. Y there is open circuit. So here no current will flow this side. The same current will be flowing in the Rx and Ry. This is the diagram. So what will be here? Rz, Ry, Rx. So what will be my equation? Fine. Make a note of it. Fine. You can see here I have written the delta equations in a order. First equation, second equation and the third equation. Clear? So this is all about the delta connection R equivalent across two terminals. We have got it. Three equations. Now we will come for the star connection. Fine. Star connection, for the first case, what is the first case we will be taking? Across same. Across X, Y, what is the R equivalent? So what is the R equivalent we will be getting? Let us see here. If current enters from that means what? First we will assume that from X the current is entering, from Y the current is leaving. Fine. So X enters here, it enters here. Then after it should divide. But what happens if the current will travel this side? Is the Z point is connected to any other circuit? No. So current cannot be traveled. The current cannot pass. So what is the current flowing in this R3 is nil. No current flows in the R3. So this R3 resistance can be ignored because no current will flow through it. So what is the current flowing in the R1? The same current will be flowing through the R2 and it will come out from the Y. We will draw its equivalent diagram so that it will be very clear. So this is the X and this is the Y. Fine. One terminal is there, R1, it is till neutral. Another from neutral, another resistor is at till Y. What is that? R2. Fine. From neutral, another resistor is there, that is R3. This is an open circuit. Can the current pass this side? No. The current cannot pass this side. That means what? The current will travel from X, enters in the R1. It will not pass this side because it is the open part. So the same current will be traveling through the R2. That means the current flowing in the R1 and R2 are same or different? Same. That means the R1 and R2 will be said as in series. So what will be the equivalent? If I will write down R, X, Y, what will be the equivalent? R1 and R2 series. This equals to R1 plus R2. What is this one? Rxy. This is equation number 4. Fine. Similarly, when you will go for the other connections, you will assume from the x and the z. Then RYZ you will be getting as R2 plus R3. Similarly, RZX you will be getting as R3 plus R1. This type of equations you will be getting it. You can assume it and you can do it. 5. This will be equation number 6. Now see here, this is also R equivalent across xy. This is also equivalent across the xy. Across two terminals, the R equivalent will be same. Fine. So we will equate now. Equating. The first equation what we will be getting, that one is R1 plus R2 is equals to Rx Ry plus Rx Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Similarly, R2 plus R3 will be equals to Ry Rz plus Ry Rx divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Similarly, R3 plus R1 will be equals to Rz Ry plus Rz Rx divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Let it be equation number 7, 8 and 9. Subtracting 9 from 7, sorry, 8 from 7, 8 from 7, that is you have to subtract 7 minus 8. So what is the equation we will be getting? R1 minus R3, that is equals to fine. Now adding 9 and 10. Adding 9 and 10. What we will be getting? By adding 9 and 10, we will be getting as 2R1 equals to Rx Rz minus Ry Rz plus Ry Rz plus Rx Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. This implies R1 will be equals to Rx Ry Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Equation number 11. So this is the value of the R1 in case of star connection. R1 value we have got it. Fine. Similarly R2 will be getting as Rx Ry divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Similarly, R3 will be getting as Ry into Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Fine. So this is the value of R2 we have got, that is the equation number 12, and this is the equation number 13. What is the R1, R2, R3 value? We have got it. Now we will draw the star and the delta connections. Both we will draw in same diagram. Then you can correlate how we got the formula. Now you can correlate with the equations what we have got it. If this is a delta, we want a star. Delta I have done in the black color and the star I have done in the blue color. If I want a delta to star connection, so what is the R1 I have written here? You look after here. R1 equals to, wherever it is connected, from that point how many vertices are coming of a triangle or the delta? Rx is coming, Rz is coming. So I will multiply it, Rx into Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Have I got this one? Now same thing you see here, R2. If I will consider about the R2, what I am getting here? R2, either of the side is Rx and Ry. So I multiplied Rx into Ry divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz. Similarly, R3, either of the side it is Ry into Rz. So Ry into Rz, Rx plus Ry plus Rz. In this way, we have converted or we have derived the conversion of the delta to star connection. Now let us see how we will convert the star to delta connection. Fine, you can make a note of it. Now let us see the star to delta. We have already covered the delta to star conversion. Now we will see the star to delta, how we will be converting it. Now in the previous session, previous one, we have got these values. The same thing I have written it, R1 value of whose equations is this one? This is a star equations. Star equations, right? Star connection equation in terms of delta. Now what I have to write down? Delta in terms of star, or in other way we can say star to delta conversion. Star to delta conversion. So let us take these equations as equation number 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Now multiply R1, R2. How much I will get? Rx square Ry Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz whole square. Now what you have to do, add these all, add this 3. So what is the equation I will be getting? After adding, I will be getting as R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 equals to I will be getting one as Rx square Ry Rz plus Rx Ry square Rz plus Rx Ry Rz square divided by Rx Ry Rz whole square. Fine. This is the case we are getting it. Now from this equation, what I'll do, R1 R2 plus R3 R2 R3 plus R3 R1, I'll be taking common as Rx Ry Rz. So remaining will be Rx plus Ry plus Rz divided by Rx plus Ry plus Rz whole square. So what is the term? It will be cancelled. So now we can write down R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 equals to Rx Ry Rz divided by Rx plus Ry Rz. Fine. Till this much it is clear. Now see here. What is this term? So what is the value I am getting here? It's equation number 3. That is R3. So I can write down this one as R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 equals to Rx into R3. This implies Rx is equals to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R3. This one you can take as equation number 4. Clear? This we have got from the equation number 4. Similarly, from equation number 4, then Ry will be equals to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R1. Similarly, Rz will be R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R2. Clear? These are the values of the star connection parameter. Fine. So let us see the star connection and rewrite it, or we'll see whether by observing what are the equations we can note it down. Now, how to directly write it down from the diagram itself? Now, what we are finding out? We are finding out Rx. Fine. So, Rx means first you have to write down this one. R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1 divided by its opposite star connected resistor is R3. So, I will write down this one as R3. Clear? Similarly, Ry, what I will write? Ry, where is Ry? Same. R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by opposite star connected resistor is R1. So, it is R1. Similarly, Rz will be same. R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R2. This is how we convert star to delta or delta to star connections of the resistors. Fine. We'll solve the problems of the star and delta in the problem session. So, till then, thank you.